If you're watching this channel, you know what it's called because you clicked on the video, but this is Teardown. So me and Keeter are going to play that. I've seen some of it, and Keeter's played very little bit of it just to have an understanding of what the dynamics are.
In fact, I've played enough to know that, like, this stuff is...
The fuck is barrel distortion mean?
It's one of those kind of blur things. I played without it, or with them both on, and it makes everything blurry that's not like right in front of you.
Oh, it's like the PS2's graphic enhancements for PS1 games. Remember how that was a big deal? And then like when we bought PS2s, we like looked at it and went, yay! Like we were really like pretend excited for it. Like look how different this is.
Look how
This is so much better.
blurry this is.
Yeah.
Alright, let's just jump into the campaign.
Spider-Man has round shapes on him. Oh, is there a story to this?
Sort of.
Well, you just got dropped off by a bus, right?
Yeah.
So it's like half a story. It's like one of those suggested stories.
This is where we work.
Opening doors. Are those things in those boxes, or are those just boxes?
I think they're just empty.
That's kind of a dick move, just to put boxes in front
Here's
of
our
somebody's
tools. Fire extinguisher.
doors. Okay.
Spray paint. Sledgehammer.
I think they're all self-explanatory. Ooh.
Yeah.
Could you have ran on that?
No.
No.
Oh, yeah, it's telling me that the power's out. So I have to replace the fuse. Maybe it would work after there's actually power in this room. There we go. Yeah, it looks like
Nobody must have been in that room, dude, forever.
an
That
entire
tree grew.
Yeah. Let's turn the power off and then plant a tree in front of
Yeah.
it. And check our email. Gas bill dropped on the floor. I don't know what that means. Can't make it through the month. Got to get some money. Luckily, this guy needs this building to go away. So we can go.
I need it gone by tomorrow? Wow, that's really not giving you any time.
Let's go take care of his little building problem. I have a sledgehammer.
Yeah, why not? We never checked the treadmill. What does that sign say? Ah.
I forgot the email. Does he want the sign gone too? Because I'll just go ahead and take
just
care of that
sign
right now.
out. That's a pretty cool looking tree, dude. Oh. I did not expect that to be metal.
Highly explosive propane tank. Well, let's just take one of these and...
Now, if you blow out like all four corners of those like supports, does the whole thing just fall?
Of these?
Yeah. Or does it take more?
Well, there's a chimney that I don't think we can blow. Like hit with a sledgehammer. We might
I
be able
can't
to...
pronounce that word, by the way.
Chimney?
Yeah. Chimney.
But yeah, we'll try this out.
Chimney. Did I say it right?
Chimney? That's how I say
Chimney.
it, yeah.
Boy, that is a really good fireplace. I'm not even going to try to say the word anymore.
He's being held up by the chimney.
I feel like you're just throwing it in my face now.
So let's see if we can... How much is left? Oh,
Quite a bit. It's a very sturdy thing. I don't think that's even a chimney. I think it's just a brick support. What the hell is that green thing that you hit earlier?
I think it's supposed to look like a bell.
Oh, you have health too.
But luckily, I get healed pretty fast. Yeah, or it looked like a bell to me at first, but now it looks like a well, a well pump. Well, let's see if we can get this done. If not, I have other ideas. Okay, we'll throw this.
Just angrily hit it with.
Throw this last one, and if I can't get it, I have other ideas. It fell, but it fell straight down, and now it's still sitting there.
Yeah, it's just a smaller house.
I see something over here. We might be able to deal with.
Oh, you can drive these? Fuck up that nice looking tree. Oh, Jesus Christ, dude.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. And it, like, the thing goes up and everything.
Yeah, I think we will make short work of this with this. Huh.
Now, from the video I watched of this, are there... I understand there's, like, collectibles and shit, too? Like, you can get from the buildings and stuff?
Since we're in need of money, I think you can kind of steal some stuff from some of the places.
How is it still too tall?
Well, I think mission accomplished, huh?
Yeah, I'd say you did a good thing. Interesting place to decide to get out of the car at. It's like when you go to the mall and somebody's parked too close to you, except for you, the one that parked too close to somebody else to get out of the car. Most people would just back up a little bit and try it again, but not you. You're like, fuck it. I'll just take the fence out. That's why you don't have nice things.
Yeah.
Is there a legitimate way to get down?
There's stairs, and I think this is an elevator thing.
You live in a shithole, dude.
Ooh, we got caught in camera. Cultural Heritage Project. So now we're pretty much getting
Yeah, but you did not take that job under the pretense that it was going to be something dirty.
No, but looks like we're being blackmailed into doing this job.
Oh, this guy's a dick then, dude.
This one has, looks like 3 computers we have to steal.
Okay, this is what I've seen. Like with the, like you can use the spray paint to like mark the ground to figure out your path and shit.
Yeah, because see, we have this. There's a computer in each of these 3 buildings.
And you just have to figure out your path.
Yeah. And this door's locked. Whatever shall I do?
Apparently, hit the paint off the side of the building. Do the cops show up or anything, or?
Not in these early levels. I think after this guy finds...
Look at you and your fucking parkour, dude. I want to know what you just balanced on, Spider-Man. Did you even try the doorknob?
No.
Okay.
Oh, there's a computer in that next room. You can kind of see it. Yeah, I think...
oh, you just have to pick them up.
Yeah. I think once the story progresses, like, people are gonna start free soda, not at Lee Chemicals. Oh, yeah? See, I'm picking up valuables.
That looked like that that YouTube channel that's just like that like Google uses just to track like frame rates and stuff like that. Head driver torso, I think it's called.
So I guess I gotta...
Please somebody correct me in the comments.
Yeah, I don't even know what you're talking about, so... It's probably some cool thing I've never even...
Dude, it literally just looks like pictures of that, dude. And it's like so they can test like the frame rate or something like that. It's like one of the internet mysteries that isn't a mystery. You guys got jumps, dude. Woo!
Yeah, I'm stuck. Okay. I'm sure there's a really...
You tend to take out just like your anger on random stuff.
I'm sure there's
Like that was a brick wall. It did nothing to you.
Some really cool way to like get through here in one nice cool path, but I don't know what it is, and I'm not going to spend the time to find out. There it is. It's in there.
I can legitimately say that is not the way I expected you to handle that mission.
Yeah, this is a... Oh,
man, they bolted it to the wall. They knew you were coming. They had like a security expert came in and was just like, you know what you need to do? Bolt it to the wall in case they try to come through the floor.
Oh, well, I guess we're going to have to find a way up there, huh?
Can you tear down that whole floor? Oh, that'll work.
Can I operate this from inside the bucket is what I need to know. I guess I cannot.
Are you supposed to get through metal? Or is that like the perma thing? Like bedrock in Minecraft or like...
I think we will get more tools later.
Or like every other rock in Red Faction. This is breakable, this is not. There you go. Just parkour that bitch.
Alright. Well, that felt graceful.
What is that? Is that a safe?
Where?
Nothing.
No. It's machinery. I was hoping I could go right through this wall. Because I think our next one is over there.
Is there like any of those red tube things you were throwing earlier?
Oh, it's across the water anyway. It's in that room. I'm sure we're going to have to plan out some really detailed...
Why is that ceiling so high? Step out of there real quick. Okay, see how high that roof is? Why is that ceiling there?
There is an attic. Ooh.
Ooh.
Valuable.
Look at that.
Good call. We got $500.
That was just me being pissed about architecture, man. That was nothing else. There's no way to get into that crawl space. Why do you have that there? As far as I can tell so far from this game, there's not a whole lot of, like, facts on things like, I don't know, insulation or, like, how things are actually built.
Oh, we got the computers, but not the logins for the computers.
No.
But now they have a security system.
Oh, I'm sure that won't be hard to, you know, defeat with, like, a truck or a hammer.
So we have 60 seconds to grab all three things and leave.
What's the fire extinguisher for?
I think if you blow stuff up, you can start a fire. Which will also set off alarms.
Knock one of those trees down and just jump up the tree.
Yeah, I'm also thinking about
I know how this shit works.
getting back out too afterwards.
Oh, real good security there. You can't get inside unless you go around a little
now,
bit to the left.
Same thing we did before, but we have to go through and probably break down the walls and get all the stuff set up so we can, because as soon as we grab one, 60 seconds starts on the clock.
Okay. So are the alarms off at 60 seconds then?
They're not on right now, but as soon as I snatch one of those logins off the wall, the clock starts.
And then you got to get back to the truck, right?
Mm-hmm.
And that's what the spray paint's for, to tell you where you have to go?
Oh, yeah. I'm sure you can use it for that. There's... Okay. Hello.
So I assume what you're going to do is you're going to go to the farthest one away and then make the path so that you can get back to the truck in one straight line as opposed to backtracking.
I'm going to get to them all first. Figure out
What the best path is.
if it's better to go 1, 2, 3 or 3, 2, 1. And then break down whatever walls and doors I need to make the quick run.
Ooh, that's a lot of explosive shit there, dude.
See, because here's the first one. So as soon as I snatch this,
That goes off.
60 seconds. So if I grab that, and then I can clear my path to the next.
Fucking Brandon Lee your way out that window.
Because the next one is what? In this building here.
If you went to the other one, though, hold on. Dude, just go down a little bit. Because that big pipe there, that goes to the third one.
Because there's the second one right there. Although, no. Because...
Boy, we both felt that, huh?
Yeah. If we did that... Huh.
Because it is across the water there. Why don't you just drive over that truck, man? And then just bring that over and trim the building just the right way.
Yeah, because then we have to get across the water.
Yeah.
Well, let's go over there.
Hey, while you're over here, see if they put something back in the ceiling.
They don't own it anymore because I stole it.
They did a really good repair job of what you fucked up the first time.
Is this even the right building?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. So this one looks like it'd be a good third one because there's the exit.
Yeah. Unless... Now go back to that map real quick. Unless you start here, run up that pipe into that building there, and then jump through the ceiling of that one to grab that one, then run across those pipes to the next building.
But I have to be able to get onto the roof of this one.
That pipe goes up, doesn't it?
It goes down.
The other one. The other side. See where that computer is? That pipe right there goes at an angle, don't it?
This one?
No, the one below.
This one goes up.
Yeah. But if you're in that building, grab that one, run up that pipe, and then get across to the top of that roof, and then jump through that roof. Is that an acceptable way to do that? I mean, you'd have to have a hole in the wall to do it. Because that's where that pipe's at, is right behind that thing right there.
Right there?
Yeah.
Well, let's see what we can what we can do.
Oh, God.
You know what? We might just have to do this from outside. Barely
even
anything.
dented it.
Huh. See, I know how I can do it sloppily. Like, I can see it in my head. But... well, I exploded that while it was in my hands. See, and that's too high. Although I could probably... yeah, that's what we needed right there. I think you're onto something with that.
I think that's onto something right that. Bring that bitch around the side of the building and just carve it out, man.
There's water on that side.
Boy, the physics just don't care about that. Oh, there we go. Gentle.
I knew I was going to fall in the water.
Oh, look at that, but you don't Grand Theft Auto 3 yourself, huh?
No, it's Minecraft.
It is basically just Minecraft meets Red Faction.
Which I'm cool with. I like both those games.
Yeah, I'm down with all of this.
I didn't leave much much of that wall left, but let's see. If I like
click, run.
If I snag that from here, and then I can because it's in this door, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. 2. And then where's 3 from here?
Pretty much a straight line in front of you. Is there a way to get to that pipe? In front of the...
There should be, but then it's kind of low. I like your idea of getting to the roof of this building.
You've played this level before, right?
Yeah. I did it really sloppily. But yeah, see, if I can get here... and then drop in, this is the place right here.
Then it's just upstairs.
Oh, it's upstairs.
Yeah.
Oh, I could have just not fallen through. I could have jumped from there to there to... no, it's too high. Darn it.
Yeah, I don't think you can make that jump.
Well, I can still... I mean, I can make it in time. Yeah, if I just didn't fall in, and I just jumped over here and here.
Oh, yeah.
And here. Snag that. And then...
I like that I didn't have to say it out loud, and you just knew what I wanted.
But where's the exit? We're exiting on the wrong side of the building. Okay. So actually, right where the alarm is...
Job, there's a hole. Okay. Oh, wait a minute.
if there was a way to get...
I have an idea.
oh, right back out the window.
Well, You could do that, or you could bring up one of those explosive things, and then after you get the login thing, throw it at the wall, and then jump out the wall.
Where is that car? There was a truck.
Right there. It's on the other side of the... Oh, the red truck? It's right there. I didn't realize what truck you were talking about.
Oops. Driving the wrong way.
Whoops. This is like when I used to take you to the cemetery to teach you how to drive. Everybody's dead already. Oh, whoa. The alarm didn't go off?
No. That's why I busted it down now, because I'm not sure what happens later. Oh god. Stop. It doesn't drive as well as you'd think from being made out of a bunch of squares.
Oh god, stop. Oh, wait a minute, you're gonna drive the truck out.
Yeah, I'm gonna jump out of the window and land right here. Jump out. So then where's the first one again? Okay.
Cross the river. Over the river and through the woods, to Christopher Robin's house we go.
Alright, we'll give this one a run and then we'll call it. I think there's a quick save in this game. So like I can quick save right here, and if I screw it up, we can just quick load.
Yeah. And quick saved. You put the fire extinguisher away, you're just gonna hang out with that.
Well, I have to hold something.
Oh.
So alright, you ready?
Yeah. Oh no! I don't remember the rest of the plan. Do you? Oh, okay. No, it was...
Oh, crap.
We have fucked this up. Oh, just go with it.
No, I jumped out of the wrong way. Okay, let's look at the map.
Okay, hold on a second. Why don't we just take the spray paint and just draw a line?
Alright, here we go.
Okay. 60 seconds. Every time you jump on top of that, I think you're just gonna fall off.
Yeah, it like glitches me for a second, so then I thought... Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
I'm stuck. Okay. The plan never goes the way you think it's going.
The way I want it to. Back out the window.
Nice.
No one's the wiser. Wow, you're making some really good angles, dude. I want to see where this goes bad. It's just this little delay. Oh, you didn't match that arrow at all, dude.
And I didn't have the camera angle right to drive here either, so... But we made it.
Yeah. That was cool.
We had 24 seconds left.
No, yeah, man. We're masters at this, dude. Bring it, game. How long have we been here?
We have another tool. Let's see what this is, and then we'll...
I was thinking we could start the next episode with the tool.
Well, we have the tool now, Marshall.
Okay,
so
well, next episode, we'll know what happens.
Because now we can do this.
Oh, we can cut through metal now. Oh, sweet. It's like a border wall. Except for more effective.
Alright, next time we'll have some fun with the blowtorch.
Okay. Click like, subscribe. Forgot what I was supposed to say. Click like, subscribe, guys.
All right.
Buy
See
some
you.
merch if you want to. See ya.